Hey everyone, this is QuickCreator and we're going to be teaching you how to make your own customized ICP. Let's get into it. But before that, I need to teach you what it is first. So, ICP stands for Ideal Customer Profile. It's basically a detailed data-driven description of the perfect target company that'll gain the most value from your product and provide long-term revenue. The first thing you have to do is click on Ideal Customer Profile right here. And after that, the Market Research Assistant is gonna help you. For this example, my brand is gonna be a shoe brand. So of course, we're gonna be targeting specific people, such as basketball players, soccer players, marathon runners, runners as a whole, and sports people. Just click send and wait for it to load. Now, it's gonna be asking you a lot of questions here, but don't be worried because this allows you to customize your ICP to make sure that it fits. Now, for the first question, we're gonna go with running. Second one, I'm gonna go with B. Third one is gonna be unisex, and the primary region market is North America. Now, once you've answered all that, click send again. And just like that, the market researcher has come up with an ICP for North America club runners. Once you're satisfied with that, click create and generate. Wait for it to load, and just like that, the ICP has been generated successfully. So we can go to here, and from here you can modify it however you want. For example, I want to add something else to the core business goals, right? You can simply do that by clicking add, and the main point and challenges, purchase triggers, objections, content preferences, and a lot more customizations can be done right here. Now for the age range, if I think that 35 to 54 is a bit too high, then I'm free to change it to 18 to 45. And from there, you can click save to save your changes. Of course, if you're unsatisfied with the ICP created, you can simply delete it and retry again. And just like that, whenever you generate an article, different posts, and everything, then it's going to be based on your ICP, of course. Just like this one. Making an ICP with QuickCreator is that simple. So what are you doing right now? Head on over to the link below, start making the content that you deserve for the people that deserve it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.